Connector. A connector is a word or phrase that is used to join or connect different parts of a sentence or different sentences together. Connectors help to create cohesion and coherence in writing and speaking by indicating relationships between ideas, adding information, contrasting ideas, or showing cause and effect. Examples of common connectors include words like and, but, however, because, and phrases like on the other hand, in addition to, as a result, and despite that. By using connectors, we can make our writing and speaking more organized and easier to understand.